Hello my dear friends, this is Bhumika Naik and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do a very simple experiment, that is burning of sugar. The things all you need is just some amount of sugar and a relatively larger spoon like this. I already did the experiment once by this spoon, that's why it has become like this. And I'm using the same spoon to avoid further abuses from my parents, and I hope this is okay for you all and for you as well. If you are doing any experiment in your home, then before doing it, take your parents' permission. Now you need to add this sugar in the spoon and you have to heat it on the gas. Now I'm keeping the spoon. Carefully observe the whole process. After some seconds, as you can see, some liquid part and it is golden color. We call it as liquid sugar. And slowly it has turned to brown color, blackish brown, and it catched the fire. And you can observe the color of the flame, that is yellow color. To know whether a gas is released or not, I am keeping a plate on this. And it is completely turning to black. As you can see, the gas is evolving from this. Let us try to know what is this black color. See here, we also got some droplets on this plate. When we started to heat the sugar, first it converted to its liquid form, which is known as a physical change. Later, a reaction took place, that is known as chemical change. The sugar was converted to carbon dioxide, and as you saw some of the droplets of water on the plate, so we can say that water vapors were also released, and we saw that heat and light were released. So we can say that the formula of sugar is C12H22 and O11, and this gives CO2 plus H2O plus heat and light. Then what is this, friends? Here we got a black residue. As you can see, this is in a powdery form. And you can even taste it. We all know the taste of sugar, that is, it will be sweet. But when you taste this substance, it is tasteless, or sometimes it will feel that it is bitter to taste. That means it has completely different characteristics from the sugar. Then what is this substance? This is nothing but char sugar. That is, this is carbon itself, because in sugar there is a long carbon chain, and when we supplied heat, some of the carbon chains were broken to form carbon dioxide with oxygen, and hydrogen and oxygen together made water, but some of the carbon chains were unable to break by the heat we supplied, so they remained as it is. So we can say this as carbon, which is in the amorphous and powdery form, and we can call it as char sugar, that is half burnt or burnt sugar. Now let us try to further heat this substance or burn this substance. It's just nothing but burning of carbon. And observe this, when I tilt this spoon and when this char sugar comes in contact with the fire directly, then you can observe the red spark like this. So we observe the same thing when we are burning charcoal. You might have seen that. Sometimes it is used in iron box. Now let us try to know whether something is happening or not. Here I have taken a matchstick. See here, it suddenly offed. Which gas has the property to extinguish fire? Yes, it is carbon dioxide. By this simple test, we get to know that carbon dioxide is releasing from the substance. That means the carbon is burning or reacting with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. And after leaving too much time, it will completely burn. I have kept one directly on the flame, and as you can see, it is burning. See, again it went off. Like this, slowly it will completely burn to form carbon dioxide. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.